Hello, language enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with part third of our one word substitution series, where we will cover approximately 400 to 500 high yield words that are frequently asked in exams like SSC, SBI, IBPS, ACIO, NDA, UPSC, BPSC, UPPCS, State PCS, and other competitive exams. So, if you are preparing seriously, mastering these one word substitution will sharpen your vocabulary and save time in the exam. Don't forget to check out part 1, part 2 if you haven't already watched. And stay tuned, I will be uploading science and technology current affairs update part 2 series, biotechnology series for NEET and UPSC aspirants, and very soon part 2 of part 3rd of idiom series and part 2 of confusing word series, which I will be going to upload within few days. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. After watching this video, if you found this video is helpful, so kindly share among your fellow aspirants and comment below in the comment section. Gives it a thumbs up, which will boost my morale also. Don't forget to check the description box for links to previous parts of this series, current affairs updates, science and technology series, and idioms and confusing words playlist. Let's get started. So, one word substitution is a practice of replacing a phrase or longer expression with a single, more concise word that conveys the same meaning. So, with the help of one word substitution, we can replace a longer expression or a phrase with a single word, which gives a same meaning. So it is a technique which is used to make language more effective, more efficient, and often tested in vocabulary-based exam. So it's often asked in so many different types of exams. So what is about one-word substitution? One-word substitution involves finding a single word that can accurately represent a group of words or a phrase. So one-word substitution always with the help of one word substitution, we are using a single word for a group of words or a phrase. So, this substitution aims to make the language more succinct and clear, concise, while maintaining the original meaning. So why it is so useful? Because it provides conciseness, clarity. It helps our vocabulary building also in help in our different types of exam preparation. So for concept of conciseness, it allows for more compact and efficient communication. With the help of one word substitution, we can give more. We can able to communicate very nicely, efficiently. It gives clarity by using a precise, concise word. The meaning can be more easily understood. It also enhances our vocabulary. It expands our knowledge of words and their various uses, different uses. It is very helpful in different types of exam preparation. So many standardized tests include questions that require you to find the word substitution for a given phrase. So it is very demanding one word substitution in different types of competitive exams, even though it is beneficial for spoken English as well. Examples: instead of a person you loves to read, you can use bibliophile. Instead of a thing kept as a reminder, you can use souvenir. Instead of the lifestyle story of a person written by themselves, you can use autobiography. Auto means self. The life story of a person written by themselves. Instead of a saying, a person who sees everything negatively. So you can use cynic. A person who sees everything in all aspects, he or she is always negative, known as cynic. So cynic means a person who believe that people only do things for themselves rather than to help others. A person who believe that people only do things for themselves rather than to help others. So these like one word we are using for complete definition: a person who sees everything negatively, a person who only does think for himself or herself rather than to help others. So it is about scenic. So it this one word substitution help us in enhancing our vocabulary also. What are the key categories in which we are using one word substitution? First is generic terms, second is in government and system, third one is a profession and research, fourth one is venues and sports, fifth one is murder and death, sixth one is groups and collection, seventh use in peoples and person, group of peoples and persons, eighth uses sounds, and so on. List is more. So generic terms means generic means include typical of a whole group of things, not specific. Generic means which is typical to whole group of things, not specific. So generic terms, words like omniscient. Omniscient means who is knowing everything. Omniscient. One is a very arrogant person, and he thinks he is omniscient. He is knowing everything. Omniscient. Ambidextrous. Ambidextrous means able to use the left right hand equally well. So ambidextrous person, one painter is Ram is a painter who is ambidextrous, means who can use both left and right hand equally while painting. Ambidextrous. Third is ephemerals. These are the generic terms. Ephemeral means lasting or used only for short period of time, which lasts only for short period of time. So ephemeral thought, ephemeral dispute, so which lasts for a short period of time. Now, second categories are government and system, which we have learned in the previous video. Words like democracy, bureaucracy, monarchy. Third is it is used in profession and research. Words like archaeologist, biologist, economist. Fourth one is venues and sports. Words like auditorium, cemetery, and sanctuary. So this we have already learned. Fifth, we will use one word substitution to depict murder and death. Words like assassination, homicide, matricide. Sixth use is used in groups and collection. Words like flock, herd, or clique. Flock, you know, herd, you know. Now, clique, CLIQUE, clique. What is meaning of clique? A small group of people with the same interest who do not want others to join their groups. That is a clique. Clique is a small group of people who do not want others to join their groups. That is clique. Who do not want other to join their groups. Scenic means a person. Scenic and clique, no need to confuse with these two words, scenic and clinic. Person who sees everything negatively. Cynic means a person who believes that people only do things for themselves rather than to help others. Means he is very thinking about himself only, and not ready to help others. Cynics, and always look at negative aspect of life. Clique means clique is a small group of people with the same interest. Small group of people with the same interest who do not want others to join their groups. So there is a clique of students who consume many alcohols, too much alcohol. Clique. So a small group of people with the same interest who do not want others to join their groups. Clique. Now, next is about people in person, bystander, expert, or optimist. Optimist who look at always positive aspect in all aspect of life. Optimist, positive person. Expert, you know, who is expert in all field. Bystander is a new word. So bystander means a person who is standing near and sees something that happened without being involved in it. For example, any person, one incident has happened or accident has happened. A person is standing near and sees everything what happened without being involved in it. That is a bystander. It's not about an incident or an accident. In any example, a person is standing near and sees something that happens without being involved in. That is a bystander. Bystander. Now, sounds words like murmur, shriek, or whisper. Murmur, you know very well, to say something in a low, quiet voice. Murmur means to saying something in a low, quiet voice. Shriek means to make a short, loud noise in a high voice. A child is shrieking means he is making a short, loud noise in a high voice. Shriek. Whisper means a girl is whispering with her friends. So whisper means to speak very quietly into somebody's ear so that other people cannot listen it what she is saying to someone. So whispering. What are the purpose of using one word substitution? What is the reason of using one word substitution? So it make English communication more efficient, more effective, more concise. So it makes a communication far more brief, transparent, and simple, attractive also. So words can be remembered and larger meanings can be communicated with a single word. So with the help of one word substitution, we can communicate very easily, and we can use a small word for which consists of larger meaning, which consists of large meaning. So sentences become more precise, more concise, and reduce complexity with the one word substitution. So when we are using one word substitution, it reduces complexity of any sentence, because it is giving clear, simple meaning with one word itself. So these are the benefits of using one word substitution. So these can be solved by how to use one word substitution in our sentences. So what are the rules we have to follow? So this can be solved by how we can use first to identify the root word, means base word, and its root meaning, core meaning. So followed by determining the prefix and suffix. So we have to divide the words based on the prefix and suffix. For example, words is anthropology. Anthro means human, and anthropo means human, and logy means study. So it's study of human, study of humanity. Anthropology, study of humanity. To master understanding root words, you must be knowledgeable with etymology and linguistic of words. So, what is the meaning of etymology and linguistic? Etymology means to study of origin and history of words, including how their meaning have evolved over time. Etymology means study of origin and history of words, including how their meanings have evolved over time. Linguistic means words which are connected with language. So, to master understanding root verbs, you must be knowledgeable with the etymology and linguistic of words. So, in science, mostly we use the suffix that is the ology. Ology means study. So, wherever this word is used as a suffix, it means study, psychology, biology. So whatever this word is used, the always logi study. So we have learned in the previous video also. So kindly watch the part 2 and part 1 if you have till now not watched. The suffix cracy is derived from the Greek word krasia, which signifies rule or governance. So for example, autocracy, democracy are two examples. So one word substitution is divided into many different categories. First one is a research, science, or study related. Astronomy, which is the study of a star. Example sentence is given. I like this astronomy book. Second one is a botany, to study of plants, which is related with the science. So her example sentence is given. Her passion in plants prompted her to enroll in this botany course. Second use is terms related. The term bona fide refers to a large fire, which is specifically used for celebration in any festival or used for celebration. Bona fide. So the campus sat around the bona fire all night and all have enjoyed, all have celebrated that party. Fiesta is a term which is used to describe events that are characterized through festivities. And then there is a celebration is also happening. So for example, last night's gathering was a complete fiesta. That event is full of festivities and celebration. So these are the terms related. Third use is one word substitution is to identify collection and to denote about collection, a group. Flock is a group of sheep. So I saw a shepherd with a flock down the hill. It is an example sentence. Second is herd. Herd is a collection of cattle or sheep. So for example sentences, keep your herd of sheep in the backyard. It is also used for people, a person. An optimist is someone who sees the positive side of everything, who is always positive. Optimist. Pessimist, who is always negative. So negative person. Cynic is also negative person. Cynic is also negative person. Now, humanitarian is someone who is concerned about humanity. Next is associated with occupation or profession. So florist means who sells or grow flowers, as well as those who would study or write about them is florist. My favorite florist is Mary. Now about astronauts profession, who has been trained to go across a space and control a craft. Example sentences: Sunita Williams is one of the most accomplished female astronauts. Sixth use is it is used in government and political related. Democracy government by people. Democracy encourages freedom. Example sentence is democracy encourages freedom. Monarchy, a government by a king or queen. So, for example, sentences monarchy is with the monarchy. All of these came to an end. So these are about the uses of one word substitution. So it is also used during death or killing related. Regicide, which is the act of assassinating a king. Regicide, which is act of assassinating a kill. For example, the monarchy was overthrown via regicides. It was assassinated with the help of monarchy was eradicated. Now, second is homicide. A homicide is when someone is killed by another person. Homicide. For example, he was arrested and charged with homicide. Now we are going to learn about approximately 350 to 400 or 500, I think so 500 like this, one word substitution. So oviparous, viviparous. Oviparous, bearing young by eggs. Viviparous, human or viviparous. Viviparous means who give births to young one. Oviparous, O means egg. Person who does not believe in any religion is non-pagan. A person who do not believe and do not trust in any religion is pagan. The study of ancient writing is called paleography. Paleography means paleo means ancient. Paleontology means study of fossils. Palatable, food which agrees with one's taste. Palatable is very tasty foods and you like that specific food. So food which agrees with one's taste is palatable. Tasty foods and you like that food, and the whatever the food you like, chola bhatura or anything which is palatable for you. The study of ancient writing. Ancient writing, paleography. Wherever the word is coming paleo, it is associated with ancient. Palliative. Palliative word means that which can lessen the severity of pain or disease. Palliative means the process or any thing which can reduce the severity of problem of pain or disease. So that one is a palliative. So when a child is suffering, even though her mother's touch is palliative for that child. So reducing the severity of pain or disease. Palliative. Panarchy means government run universally. Panchromatic means chroma. What is, whenever the word chroma is coming, it means colors, chroma, colors. So panchromatic means equally sensitive to all colors. Pandemic, you know very well. A disease widely epidemic, which is spread across the globe, across the world. So pandemic. Pandemonium means wild and noisy disorder. Pandemonium means very wild, very noisy problem, disorder. Disorder is a set of series of many diseases. So wild and noisy disorder is pandemonium. Panegyric means a speech or writing praising a person or a thing. Panegyric means something you have delivered a speech in any occasion and you are praising a particular person, that is a panegyric, which you are denoting a particular person in your speech, or you have written something about someone and you are praising him. So that is a panegyric. Now, next word is pantisocracy, government by all. Pantisocracy, government by all. Government run universally is a panarchy. Government run universally, panarchy. Government by all is pantisocracy. Believe of God in nature. A person who believes of God in nature is pantheism. A person who believe of God in nature is pantheism. Pantheist, person who believes that God is everything, God is everywhere, God is omniscient, God is omnipresent. So that is a pantheist. Omnipresent, God is everything. So supreme power, God is supreme power is pantheist. Person who believe this, that God is everything and everything is God. There's a spelling mistake is there. Pantheon. Pantheon means a temple dedicated to all the gods. Pantheon is a temple which is dedicated to all the gods. All the gods. Parable. To explain a spiritual truth. Parable means to explain a spiritual truth, religious truth. That is a parable. A saint is doing parable in this ceremony. Means explaining a spiritual truth, religious truth. Paramour. Paramour is a lover, especially who unlawfully takes the position of a wife or a husband. Paramour means male and female are married, couples are involved in extramarital affair. Paramour. Paranoia means mental derangement, mental sickness, mental illness. Paranoia. So when any individual is paramour, he or she will definitely paranoia, mentally sick. So involved in the unlawful act, having affair with extra people. Paraphernalia. Paraphernalia means person belonging equipments. So few things which are belonging to that specific person is paraphernalia. Parasite, you know very well, who take the advantage from others, and other one is getting bad effect from that person. Parasite. Or for organism, parasite always just like lice on hair, girls' hair. So that is a parasitic. One leaves on others, take all advantages from that particular person or things, but also destroying that thing also. That is a parasite. One friend is always helping second friend. And when first friend is need the help of second friend is not ready to help him. So we can say that second friend is parasite. He doesn't help the first friend. So he has taken the advantage only. Parasol is small umbrella. Parasol is a small umbrella. Parody, funny imitation of a poem. Paronym, words alike in sound but different in meaning and spelling. That is a paronym. No need to confuse with synonym. Paronym are words that are similar in form or derivation but having different meanings. No need to confuse paronym and synonym. Synonyms means similar meaning. Paronyms means words that are similar in form or derivation but having different meanings. Example, wisdom is paronym of wise. So words alike in sound but different in meanings and spellings. Parricide means murder of one's parent. Parvenu means one who flaunts newly acquired wealth. Parvenu. Parvenu. He acquired wealth within a few days and always flaunting, always boasting. I am rich, I am rich. So parvenu. Patrois means a language of a special group. Patricide, killing one's father. Patrimony, people inherited from one's father, ancestor. Patrimony. Patronymic means name derived from father's name. Patronymic means whatever the name a child get from father's name. That is a patronymic. Pauper means one who has no means of livelihood. Pauper means very poor person. Pauper, very poor person. We have to definitely help pauper. Means we have to definitely help very poor people. Pauper, very poor people. Pawn, mortgage means give something as a security for debt. You are in crisis of money and you have to take debt. For that, you have given something as a security. So that is known as a pawn or mortgage. Next word is peculation or embezzlement, means use of public money for one's own benefit. Using public money, some leaders are doing also this, speculation or embezzlement, means using public money for his or her benefit. Speculation, embezzlement. Next is word is pedagogue, means a school teacher or a man affecting learning, which is helping in learning. Pedagogue. And pedagogy means the art of method of teaching. Pedagogy means art of method of teaching, and pedagogue means a school teacher or a learned man which is giving knowledge. Pedantic means a style in which a writer makes a display of his knowledge. Pedantic, in which a writer is displaying his knowledge. Pedantic. How much knowledgeable he is. So style a writer is using. So that is a pedantic. Peel you know very well to remove the skin of a potato or any fruits or an orange like this. Equal in rank, you know, friends, pair. A small enclosure for cattle, sheep, poultry, etc. Pen. Fear of poverty, peniophobia. Fear of poverty, peniophobia. So we have to use money judiciously because all people have fear of poverty, peniophobia. No need to invest anywhere without looking at judicially or looking at carefully where to invest or not to invest. So peniophobia is also good thing. Fear of poverty, you must have to, if we belong to middle class. Lands, now peninsula means a land which is surrounded by water, almost an island. Peninsula means which is a land which is surrounded by water, and you can say it as an island. Peroration means a passage marking the close of speech. Peroration means whenever you are delivering speech anywhere and then the last passage is known as a close passage. Close passage after and you have to end the speech. That close passage is the last passage is known as a peroration. The last passage used while delivering speech is called peroration. Personify, be the embodiment of or perfect example. Personify. Ram is personify of honesty, humbleness. So personify means perfect example and be the embodiment of. Perspicacious, quick to judge and understand. Perspicacious. His statement is perspicacious. His behavior is perspicacious. My friend's behavior is perspicacious. Very easily to understand, easily to judge. He's very simple person. So his behavior is perspicacious, very easy to judge and very easy to understand him. Perversion, which is something abnormal, unnatural, a behavior that is not considered normal or acceptable. Lusting behavior, perversion. Because of this, so many incidents or crimes are happening nowadays in India also. Wife are cheating husband, husband are cheating wives. So because of the act of perversion involved in lusting behavior, abnormal, unnatural behavior. Petrology, the study of rocks. Phalacrophobia, fearness of becoming bald, losing one's hair. Because of lack of vitamin B12, vitamin D, all people are suffering from loss of hair. So all are, even though boys and girls, women, men are having the fear of losing one's hair. That is phalacrophobia. Next one is phasmophobia. Phasmo means ghost. Phobia, always fear. Phasmo means ghost. Now, philogynist, feminist. One who works for the welfare of the women. Feminist means one who works for the welfare of the women. Philogynist who work for the welfare of other people. Philology means study of languages. Philomath means a lover of learning. who wants to acquire different types of knowledge, a lover of learning, is called philomath. My friend is philomath. He's always acquiring. He's a lover of learning different types. So he's always involved in learning different types of subjects. So he's philomath. He's a lover of learning. Philo, he's not wasting time here and there. Useless activities. Philomuse means a lover of poetry and art. Philomuse, who is a lover of poetry and art. Philozoic, a lover of animals. Jed means animal, joic. Phonetics, you know very well phonetics, the study of speech, sound, production, transmission, reception, that is a phonetics. Photometer. Photo means slide. Photo, wherever that this photo is coming, it means light. So photometer measure the intensity of light. Phrenology, the science of judging of a person character capabilities. So judging person character or capabilities, that is a phrenology. Or phrenology is also associated with the examination of shape and structure of a skull. So second meaning is the phrenology. First is to know about the person characters, person capabilities. And second meaning is to examine the shape and structure of a skull. Phrenology. Logi study. To study of a structure and shape of a skull. And first one is the judging person characters, capabilities, abilities. Physiognomy means study of human face. Study about human face is physiognomy. Physiognomy. Piggyback, ride on someone's back. Piggyback, ride on someone's back. Piquant, pleasant or sharp to the taste. Piquant means which is pleasant or sharp to the taste. It is related with the taste bud, which is sharp to the taste, pleasant or sharp to the taste. Piquant. Platitudes means a commonplace remark. Platitudes means again the commonplace remarks. Plebiscite, an expression of the popular will concerning some important question given by a direct vote of the people. Plebiscites. So expression of the popular will, which is concerning about the important question directly given by vote of the people. Plebiscite. Plenipotentiary means a person with full discretionary power to act on behalf of a country. So a person with full discretionary power to act on behalf of a country, who is having the full power to act on behalf of a country. That person is known as a plenipotentiary. Potentiary means he has the potential to act on behalf of a country, in place of that country. Plenipotentiary, to act on behalf of a country, to get that power, full power, discretionary power. Pleonasm means use of more words that are needed to express the meaning. You are using many words to express the meaning of anything, to express your sentence, to express your feeling. That is a pleonasm. Polygamy, gamy, you know that many wives. Gamy means marriage and poly means many. So many wives, polygamy. Many wives, polygamy. Polyglot, one who knows many language. Polyglot, many, poly means many, got means language. Porcine means that which is pig-like. Posse means a group of people who are the same in some way. Posse. A group of people who are the same in some way. Posse. A group of peers, a group of friends whose likes and dislikes are same. So posse. Future generation is posterity. We have to always think about the fossil fuels, how to use the fossil fuels, take care of fossil fuels, and we have to protect it for future generation. Means we have to preserve it for posterity, for future generation. Postulate, something which can be taken for granted. So many science postulates, we are chemistry postulates, we are learning through the science while science lectures, while taking science lectures. So postulates something which can be taken for granted. Pot boilers, a book or picture produced merely to bring in money. A book produced or picture produced merely to bring in money, that is a pot boilers, which give you money, that is a pot boilers. Picture produce or a book produce. Potpourri means a medley or heterogeneous mixture of great variety. There is a heterogeneous means different types. So different types of mixture of great varieties, potpourri. Pragmatism means theory of utility. Pragmatist means a person concerned with practical results and practical values. Pragmatist person who is only involved a trust in practical result, practical values. Pragmatist. Predators, one preying on or exploiting others. Predators which always exploit others. We feed on prey, that is a prey which a predator is feeding on prey or exploiting others. Predators. Predicament, difficult or dangerous situation. Predicaments, difficult or dangerous situation. Predicament. I am in predicament because of not giving any exam very seriously or not preparing for any exam very seriously. So I am in difficult or dangerous situation. It is a big alarm about my futures. Prerogative, absolutely right. Prerogative means absolutely rights. Feeling or impression that something evil is going to happen. Presentment. Some feeling is coming that something bad is going to happen. Presentment. Your mother called me and said that something, I'm thinking something is wrong is going to happen with you, so that I called you late night. So that is known as a presentment. Some feeling or impression that something bad or evil is going to happen. Presentment. Procrastination. Procrastination, to postpone things for future. You students, the mostly the cause of failure is procrastination. Postponing the things for future. I will give mock test tomorrow. Today I'm reading, revising the concept, and I will give mock test tomorrow. So you always believe in procrastination. No tomorrow will come. So no need to postpone things for future. Procrastination is not good thing. It will give you in predicament. It will result your predicaments. Condition. Prognosis, forecast of the probable cause of a disease or illness. Prognosis means forecasting of probable disease or problem or illness. That is a prognosis. Proletariats, whole body of wage earners. Promiscuous, confused and disorderly. Promiscuous, confused and disorderly. No girls like promiscuous boy who is always confused and always disorder. Promiscuous. Even the boys also not like promiscuous girl who is always confused, disorder. Promise, explicit and understanding to do something. Don't go for false promise. Propensity, natural tendency to do something. It is my propensity to tell lie. Many students are having this propensity. So this propensity of telling lie is the main root cause of failure. If you are not able to crack any entrance exam, you have to observe and then start for the plan B. Plan B, ready for the plan B. Because there is a success written in your life, you have to be confident only. Protease, person to whom another gives encouragement and help. Protege means protege. Your parents definitely gave you protege. If you're telling truth, I can not do this one, I can do that one. So life is not going to end. Your parents definitely gave you protege, means encouragement, help, protege. Prototype, original model. CISO, Cephologist, one who studied the pattern of voting in election. Cephologist means one who studies the pattern, different types of pattern of voting during election. Pulsate, expand and contract rhythmically. Pulse rate in body also, there is expansion and contraction rhythmically, that is a pulse rate. Punctilio, particular point of good conduct, ceremony, honor. Punctilio, a person whose behavior is good. So punctilio, particular point of good conduct, ceremony, honor. Quarantine, very well after pandemic. Separation from other people to avoid infection. Quinquennial, happening in 5 years. Quinquennials, which is happening in 5 years. So many examination, entrance exam, it is quinquennial. It is coming, it is that notification is coming in 5 years. So quinquennial. So quinquennial means happening in 5 years. One who is chivalrous, idealistic, or unpractical. Idealistic and unpractical. That is a quixotic. Person who is unrealistic is quixorious. People in rowdy scene, rebel. People who make noises in rowdy places, in gathering, that is a rebel. In that gathering, there is a noise. People in rowdy scene, rebel. Raffle or draw. Lottery in which an article is assigned by lot of one of those buying tickets. That is a raffle or draw. You know very well. Recalcitrant. A person who refuses compliance with. Recalcitrant means who person who refuses compliance with. Recess, secret place, difficult to reach, and one recess which in the school or any institution is giving for taking lunch. Recess means secret place, difficult to reach. That is a recess. Recidivist, one who habitually relapses into crime or one who cannot be cured of criminal activities. Recidivist, who is often indulges in different types of crimes. Recidivist, going to the jail, coming out from the jail, then again going to the jail. So that person is recidivist. Involved in crime activities always involved in criminal activities. Recluse, one who retires from society to live a solitary life. Recluse. Students, don't be recluded. If you are failing in an exam, it is not end of life. No need to reclude. The part B is always with you. You will, if you're not winning any part, it doesn't mean that second part is closed. You have to search for the second path also. No need to be secluded. No need to be recluded. No need to live in solitary place. So one who retires from society to live a solitary life, recluse, disheartened person, disappointed person, recluse. Regalia, dress with medals, ribbons worn at official ceremonies. It is a proud moment for any IS, IPS, naval officer, Air Force officer, Army officer. Regalia, dress with different types of medals, ribbons worn at official ceremonies. Regalia. Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate means give back to the user their youthful vigor and appearance. Rejuvenate. Rejuvenates. If I fail in this exam, I have to rejuvenate. I have to work again and then pass in and then get success in another exam. So you have to and we have to rejuvenate. We have to work with full spirit. So give back to the user their youthful vigor, youthful spirit and appearance. Remission, pardon or forgiveness of sin by God. Remission. One has committed crime and that crime or sin is forgiven by God is remission. Renegade, one who forsakes religion. Renegade or renegade, person who changes his religious belief. Who changes his religious belief is renegade, renegade. A person who changes his religion, renegade. Who changes his religious belief is renegade. Repartee, witty, clever retort. Retort means someone is retorting means replying very soon. And that is a witty, clever, selfish, repartee. No one like repartee. If someone is communicating in any party and the second one is becoming a repartee, so no one like this. Means immediately responding. And that one is a witty, clever, selfish retort, full of disrespect. Repentance, atonement for one's sin. Repentance means did mistake in the past and now that having regret. That is a repentance. Regret for one's sin. Regret for one's mistake. That is a repentance. Repercussion. Repercussion means indirect effect or remote effect of some event. Repercussion. There is, because of some, there is a effect happen on someone. That is a repercussion. Indirect effect or a remote effect of some event. Any incident. Replica means copy. My sister is replica of my mother. It means my mother is very hardworking, very disciplined. My sister is also. So copy or reproduction of a work, replica. Resplendent, shining, brilliant and magnificent. Resplendent. Mr. X behavior is resplendent. Shining, brilliant and magnificent. Resplendent. Supreme behavior. Reticent, a person who speaks less. Whenever requires, then he only speak. Reticent. A person who is reserved in talks. Reticent. A person who talks a lot is loquacious, gregarious, talkative, chatterbox, and who talk less, whenever required, then he will talk or she will talk is reticent. A lady's purse is also called reticule. A lady's handbag is a lady small handbag or a lady's purse is called reticule. The art of elegant speech or writing is rhetoric. Elegant speech, attractive speech or writing is rhetoric. Rostrum, place for public speaking. Rostrum is a place where for public speaking, to public to speak. Rostrum. Ruminant, a cud chewing animals. Herbivorous animals like cow. Ruminants. Ruminate, to mediate, to ponder, spelling mistake, P-N not P-O-N, ponder over a question. Ruminate means whatever the mistake we have done, we have to ponder. We have to cogitate, means we have to think over it and eliminate that mistake. So ruminate means to mediate, to think over, to ponder. over a mistake or over a question. Ruminate. So ruminate, ponder, thinking, and then solving the problem, cogitating, that is the same word, ruminate. To mediate, to ponder over a question. Rusticate. One rusticate, you know very well, any student is rusticating from school because of wrong behavior. Rusticate means also there is a relax in a countryside far away from the humdrum of town. Because of the there is a noise of town or populous town, one is relaxing in a countryside. That is rusticate. To go away from the town, to get the peace in a countryside, in a village. That is a rusticate also. Saccharine. Saccharine means substance used in place of sugar. Substance which is used in place of sugar is saccharine. Saccharine, sweetie, sweet like. If we use this word in a sentence, means that sentence, that person is saccharine, means it is a very good nature person, sweet person. Sacrament, a symbolic religious ceremony, especially baptism. Sacrilege, the act of violating the sanctity, purity of church. Sacrilege is the act of violating, not obeying the purity of church. That is sacrilege. Sacrilege means violating, not obeying religious thing. So sacrilege and sacrilege. Sacrilege means act of violating the purity of church. Sacrilege means violating religious things. Liege, sacrilege means violating religious things, religious beliefs, religious understandings. Sanctum sanctorum, a very private room. A very private room, a room in which other people are not allowed. Sanctum sanctorum, a very private room. So no need of any sanctum in any house. A very private room is not required. Sanctorum is not required. Abounding in blood, sanguine. Sanguine means associated with blood, abounding in blood, sanguine. Saturnine, one who is grave and gloomy. One who is grave and gloomy. In disappear. Sad. Saturnine. Savage, in a primitive or uncivilized state. A person who is uncivilized and living in primitive state is called known as a savage. Or you can say for anything also, savage, which is uncivilized or primitive. Escape grace. Escape grace means one who always get into trouble. A person who always gets into trouble because of his ill nature, because of his wrong behavior. Sekpe grace. Person who always get into trouble. Scape grace. Confused, a struggle or fight. Confused, struggle or fight. Scrimmage. Scrimmage. Confused, struggle or fight. Scrimmage. There should be no misunderstanding between no friends. There should be no scrimmage between two friends. There should be no confused struggle or fight between two good friends. Scrimmage. Scurrility. Scurrility. Practice of using abuse. Few person always abuse to anyone. Practice of using wrong language, abusive language, who always abuse. Scurrility. Senile, is suffering from bodily or mental weakness because old age. So take care of old people. If he's suffering, he is senile, suffering from senile. So any problem, physical problem, mental weakness because of old age is senile. Sententious. Sententious. affectedly and pompously former person or style. Sententious, affected or pompous former person or affected style. That is a sententious. Serenades, music played or sung at night below a person window. Serenade. One person is singing or playing at night. That is a serenade. And you are listening below a person window. That is a serenades. So music played at night or sung at night. Serenades. And you are able to listen it. That serenade. Sesquicentennial. Sesquicentennial means 150th anniversary. 150th anniversary. Shatter, smashed to pieces. I am totally shattered after listening a death of my grandfather. Sheath, a case in which the sword is kept. Second meaning of sheath, that is a scabbard, a case in which the blade of a sword is kept. Shoal, a large number of fish swimming together. Shoal. Shredding, cutting all the waste paper into pieces. Shredding means cutting all the waste useless paper into pieces. Shredding. Shroud, winding sheet of a corpse. Shroud. Settle, go back and forth. Moving here and there, go back and forth. Settle. Winds are going, winds are settling, going back and forth. Siesta. Siesta is period of rest or sleep taken in the early afternoon. Small sleep is, we know that nap, and siesta means period of rest or sleep when a person is taking in the early afternoon. Siesta. So after doing all household chores, my mothers always take siesta. Means he always take rest in the early afternoon. Siesta. Silhouette, a portrait of a person with only the outline of the profile. Means outline. Outline of any profile is silhouette. One who despises person of lower social position. Snob. One who thinking that I am superior and other person is inferior. I am superior in everything, in knowledge and in social status, and other one is inferior. That is a snob. A short stay at a place. If you are staying somewhere, that stay is very short. That is a sojourn. If you are staying somewhere for short time, for a short stay at a place is known as a sojourn. Sojourn. Solecism, a very delicate flaw or mistake which is not expected from the person making it. Solecism. A small mistake happened to someone and you are not assuming that person will do. Solecism. Small mistake your friend has done. So that is a solecism. A speech made to oneself. Soliloquy. One speech you have made for yourself, that is a soliloquy. Sonorous, having a full deep sound. Sonorous means having a full deep sound. Last night I had sonorous. Means I have a full deep sound. Sound sleep. Sonorous sleep. Last night I have a sonorous sleep. I had a sonorous sleep. So means I had a full deep sound. And sonorous means also which gives sound, which produces sound. Sophist, a person willing to avail himself of fallacies that will help his case. Sophist. A reason willing to avail himself of mistakes that will help his case. So reason which is willing to avail his mistakes and it will help his case. Sophist. Soporific, causing or tending to cause sleep. Sporific. Sporific. Mothers always tries to sporific reason. What is the reason? To make his or her child to sleep. So sporifics. Sporific means causing or tending to cause sleep. If you take also very heavy diet, so it will also cause, it will become sporifics. It will cause you to sleep. Sporific. Soprano, the highest singing voice in women or boys, or a music in highest voice. Someone is singing in very high pitch is soprano. Soprano, the pitch is very high. Soprano. If you're living in a flat and another second flat person is singing in very high pitch, soprano, that is a soprano, it creates problem to you sometimes when you want to take rest. So soprano is sometimes not acceptable if a person is singing in high pitch. Sororicide means murder of one sister. Sororicide, killing of one sister, murder of one sister. Sotoper. Sotoper means one who is a habitual drunkard. Continuously that person is consuming alcohol. Day, night, always he is consuming alcohol, drunkard. Sotoper. Souvenir. A thing kept in memory of an event. Anything you are keeping for memory of your grandfather, mother, father, grandfather. So souvenir. Specie means memory in form of coins. A specie means a memory, money in form of coins. Specie means a money in form of coins. Speleology, the study of caves. Speleology, study of caves. Next word is spendthrift. Spendthrift means one who does not know how to save the money. He knows how to earn the money, but he does not know how to save the money. Spendthrift. He's wasting his money in buying useless thing. So spendthrift. Next meaning is spendthrift also is prodigal. So one who spend money very carelessly, who waste money very carelessly. What is spendthrift or prodigal? Next word is sporadic. Sporadic means occurring here and there or now and then, of or for all. Sporadic means occurring everywhere, occurring here and there, occurring now and then is a sporadic. Staple. Principal raw materials or commodity grown in a locality, that is a staple. Principal main raw materials or commodity which are grown in a specific locality, in a specific place, is known as staple. A statute means written law passed by the law making body. Anything written law which is passed by the law making, approved by the law making body, is a statute. Stevedore, one who loads and unloads ships. Steward, one who arranges for the supply of food in a club, school, etc. String, a sequence of similar items. String means sequence of similar items. Stoot, walk in a vain, self-important way. Stoot means walk in a vain, self-important way. That stoot means walk in arrogance, self-important way. Arrogance way. Stoot. Stupor, a heavy, unnatural slumber. Sty, a place where pigs are kept. Subdue, bring under control, especially a group of people causing trouble. Subdue. Keeping under control, especially a group of people which are causing troubles. So bring under control. And that problem is caused by a group of people. That is subdue. Subjugate, bring under control in war. Subjugate, bringing under control in war. Subdue means bringing under control, and a problem is created by a group of people. That is subdue. Submerge, put under the surface of water. Submerge means keep under the surface of water. Submerge. Subterranean, submarines operate below the surface of the seas. Submarines which operate below the surface of the seas, that is a subterranean. Suitor, one who courts or woos a woman. One who courts or woos a woman, or infatuate a woman, or attracted towards a woman is suitor. One who courts or woos a woman, or infatuated towards a woman wrongly, or attracts toward a woman, suitor. Sundries, miscellaneous articles not listed separately. So you someone has has made the list, and in which that list miscellaneous articles are also included. So sundries are also included in the main list. Sundries, miscellaneous articles. Supercilious, showing contemptuous indifference. Showing contemptuous indifference or injustice or jealous indifference. So supercilious. Supple, easily bending. Surreptitious, stealthy done. Stealthy done. Surreptitious. In done thing is happening in laziness. Surrogate, a substitute. Surrogate mother, you know very well. Swarm, if flies or locust, bees, ants. So together, flies, locust, bees, ants are called swarm. Swashbuckler, swashbuckler, a boastful fellow. Swashbuckler, your friend is always boasting about your or exaggerating about his richness. So that your friend is swashbuckler, a boastful fellow. He's always speaking about his richness, how much he is rich, or whatever the things he has. So showing his superiority economically, financially, every sense. So swashbuckler. Sweat, to slap with a flat object. To slap with a flat object. Sweat. Don't slap with a flat object. Sycophant, person who caters to the rich. Sycophants means a person who always take favors to the rich, wealthier person, important person, so that he will be also benefited. Sycophant. Sycophant person is a person who is taking favor or taking care and giving significance to the rich people or wealthier people, significant people, so that he will also, eventually he will also get benefited. So sycophant. Symposium, conference for discussion on a subject. Symposium is a conference when there is a discussion on any subject will be taken place. Symposium. Synod, a council of clergymen. Taboo, something which religion or custom regard as forbidden. Taboo, something which religion or custom regard as forbidden is not taken, is not accepted. Taboo. Tannery, a place where spelling mistake leather, a place where leather is tanned. Tannery, a place where leather is tanned. Leather. Leather is tanned is tannery. Tantrum, fit for bad temper or anger. Tantrum, no one tolerate tantrum of your tantrum. Means your friend is always abusing and fighting, always showing his bad temper. So no one is able to accept it. No one is going to accept his tantrum. Tantrum means having anger, bad temper. Tantrum. I'm not going to tolerate your tantrum. Bad tempered, bad behavior, bad anger, tantrum. Thirachi, government by the gods. We all know, we know that we are governed by the gods. We believe that there is a God, supreme power is there. So government by the gods is Therachi. Throng, a large crowd of people. Timid, one who always run away from danger. Timid means a person coward in nature, who always run away from danger. Timid, coward person. Titular, existing only in name. Titular, who exists only in name. Titular. Toppler or slot, one who is habitual drunken. One who is habitually drinking. Toppler or sort. It is his habit to drink. Topper or sort. Topiary, art of cutting tree and bushes into ornamental shape. Topiary, cutting trees and bushes into ornamental shape for commercialization. Torrent, abusive evectives. Torrents, abusive behavior, predicament, abusive evectives. Torrents. Tramp, one who travels from place to place. So many job demands tramp to travels one place to another place. So different types of jobs demand tramp to travel one place to another place. Transcendental. Transcendental means that which surpasses. Transience, for short duration, for short period of time. My failure is transient. One day I will definitely achieve my goal, achieve my ambition. My pain is transient. The pain of failure is transient for short duration. Transmigration, the doctrine that human soul pass from one body to another at the time of death. It is a belief, human belief, that human souls after death pass from one body to another. That is transmigration. Transparency. Transparent means the light is able to pass from one place to another place. A drawing on transparent paper, clearly visible, transparent. Trilogy means group of three novels. Group of three novels, poem in one series. That is a trilogy. Fear of numbers. So many students are not ready to learn mathematics. Reason? Because of triskaidekaphobia. Triskaidekaphobia. Fear of numbers. Triskaidekaphobia. Trivial. Something that is poisonous or unhealthy. Trivial means something that is unhealthy, that is a poisonous. Trivial. Timid means coward. Trivial means that is unhealthy, poisonous, or insignificant. Trivial matter, small matter, insignificant matter. Trivial. A group of dancer, artists, or acrobats is troupe. Plain or self-evident truth is truism. Self-evident truth or plain truth, simple truth is truism. A framework of raptors, post and bars. A framework of raptor, post and bars are truths. Tuft of grass or hair. Anything which is made up of grass or hair is tuft. Typography, signs of printing. Unimpeachable, that which cannot be doubted or questions. Whatever your mother or your parent is doing for you is unimpeachable, that cannot be doubted or questions. If your mother gets angry sometimes, you should be accept it, and it is unpeachable. It cannot be doubted or questioned. Unpeachable. Usury, the practice of taking exorbitant or excessive interest on the money lent. If you're taking money as a lending money for someone and someone is taking more interest, that is a usury. Taking exorbitant or excess interest on the money lent. Usury. Utopia, an imaginary ideal. Utopia, an imaginary ideal. Vacillation, change one's mind too quickly. Spelling here is TOO2. Spelling mistake. So change one's mind very easily. Vacillation. I do not like him because he is vacillator. Means he changed his mind very quickly. So it's very difficult to trust him. Vacillation, change one's mind very quickly. Changing his decision, changing his mind very quickly. Vacuous, suggesting absence of thought or intellect. Vacuous means suggesting absence of thought or absence of intellect. Vacuous, vacuum person. Vegetate, to spend life without purpose and initiative. Vegetate. Vegetate means a person who is spending his life, there is no purpose in his life. Just spending his life. So no purpose. Vegetate. Venal, a guilty of accepting bribes, extremely mercenary. Venal. So many government officers, political officers are involved in venal. So guilty of accepting bribes, extremely mercenary. Venial, fault that may be forgiven. Venial means a mistake that may be forgiven. Viable, that can live without outside help. Viable means anything that can live without any help. Viable. Vicariously, the act of enjoying or having an experience indirectly. Enjoying something or having an experience indirectly is vicariously. Indirectly, you are enjoying anything or experiencing something is indirectly. That is a vicariously. An area planted with grapes, vineyards. A loud-mouthed, turbulent kind of women, virazo. A woman who is very talkative and always fight with others, arrogant in natures, a loud-mouthed, arrogant nature of women's virazo. Nobody likes virazo. Virtuoso, one who is a brilliant performer on stage. Virtuoso, especially in music. Viviparous, who organism who gives birth to young one. Viviparous. Volatile means vanish. The easily changes into gas or vapor. Volatile. You can use in the sentence also. My friend will volatile if I ask money to him. Means he will disappear. Volatile. So, and the meaning of volatile in chemistry is to easily changes into gas or vapor. And otherwise, volatile means vanish, disappear. Voluptuary. Person who gives himself up to luxury and sexual pleasures. Voluptuary. Voyage, a long journey, especially by sea. Vulpine, that is fox-like. Welschemiz, Welschmerge, weariness of and sadness for life and world. World weariness. Welschmerge, weariness of and sadness for life and world. World weariness. That is his Welschmerge. So these Weep, a person sharing responsibility for a political party's discipline and tactics. Weep, a person who is sharing responsibility for any specific political party's discipline, rules, and tactics. Weep. Wistful, having a vague desire. Useless desire, false desire, wistful. Wreath, a garland of flowers. Wriggles, to move along with quick, short, twisting action. Wriggling. Wriggles, to move along with quick, short, twisting actions. Xenophobia. Xenophobia, fear of sex. Yacht, a light sailing boat built especially for racing. Geosophobia, fear of God. All must have a geosophobia before committing any mistake. So, fear of God. So, these are about today's one word substitution series. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching my video. See you in the next series. Stay consistent. Best of luck for your forthcoming exam.